Hi guys, I'm making this video just to show you my green pool right now. And I just added Blue Works, a Blue Works Saltwater Chlorinator. Okay, this is a Blue Works. Right now I just have it temporarily, connected. I still have to, put plastic ties and strap all the wiring and everything. But the unit is working right now. Basically, what you need to do is you need to cut the output, the input to your pool. So it's the output from the equipment. You need to cut the pipe, plumbing, and just put this device here. This is a cell. This is a cell chlorinator, and also you actually have to make two cuts. Here's the other cut to put this water flow sensor. So you put the water flow sensor, you put the cell, and you connect all the wiring to connect the Blue Works panel. And after that, basically what you need to do is put a lot of salt to your pool, okay? And it needs to be salt that is, they recommend to be 99% pure or more. And some of the sellers of the salt, on their bags, they claim to be 99 point something, whatever, but they're supposed to be like real good quality salt. But anyway, after you put that device into your pool, then you just run it. At the beginning, it's not going to give you good readings because it takes time for the actual salt to mix with your water. So at the beginning, your Blue Works panel might show errors. It might show check salt, or it might show it might show check cell, and it might show check salt. Okay, it might show those two errors, but it's not a problem. Okay, just let your pump run. Let your cleaning system run, and with the same day or the next day, go back to your panel, okay, and disconnect it and reconnect it, or if you have it connected to a breaker, just turn off your breaker and turn it back on, okay, and then your panel will start showing the proper readings. And depends how you want to set it up. You can actually put it to just to do auto like I did, or you can put it to super chlorinator. Okay, in my case I have it at 100% because right now I want all the time that my pump is running, I want all that time that the chlorinator to be working also. Okay, so that's basically the how the system works. It's real basic. Like I said, it's not complicated. And so right now, this is the first part of my video, and it's showing my green pool. I'm hoping to show you guys in probably a few days another video where it's gonna show how the pool is gonna be all nice and clear. Okay. By the way, I did add a little bit of help to my way of killing all this algae. Okay, and that's copper sulfate. Okay. Copper sulfate, is used for a lot for ponds and lakes and different places to kill the algae. Okay, and that's I did add a little bit of copper to my pool, and that's to kill the algae. Some people they use devices that are called ionizers. Well, I got the copper sulfate. I can just mix a little bit with water. Just throw it in my water like any other chemical. Okay. The only one thing is I'm not going to be using chlorine tablets anymore. They're too expensive. The chlorine tablets that I used to get from Sam's, they were $60 per bucket. I just checked their price. I was trying to buy some from them, but they're sold out. And then I checked the prices with Amazon. Amazon is selling the same chlorine tablets that I used to get for $60 for over $200. So I'm not doing that. And that's the reason that I purchased this Blue Works saltwater chlorinator. Okay, well, okay guys, that's it for this video, and let's hope next time you guys see my video, my pool is gonna be all nice and clear, or you can say all blue, but it actually reflects the color of the bottom of the pool. So it's probably gonna it's gonna look nice and blue because the water is gonna be clear. Okay, but right now, water's still green. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Until next time. Bye.